Hi, this is Ferreira from anyhousecleaning.com. I'm right now doing an estimate. I have to record everything for my records to see the condition of the house. We are in Davenport, Florida. This is a RV and luxury community. Brand new house. We have to remove the label, clean in and out. That's all the surface. Everything is brand new. Okay. This is a small area. The floor is tiled, and I don't know if you can see that part. That's haze. Okay. The little bathroom. There is no electricity yet because they don't finish. Brand new on the surface. They have water ready. Brand new shower. Tile. There is some haze in that part. Is tile and have some haze, but the rest, everything is new. This is for old people so they can sit. Okay, yeah. Okay, water, we always have to check the water. Another area, light fixtures. Remove the dust from the walls, dusting. Window, remove the label. Take out the, what is this? Some grease over here. Okay. If you can see, this is the sticky pad for the labels. In and out. Some paint or plaster in this corner. The same here. Nothing big. Dust. Remove the dust and clean all the windows. This is a new construction. Another window here. Labels in and out. Open the window. Well, open the window and clean the rails, right? Floor, they need to bring the refrigerator, I don't know when. Remove the fine dust from the cabinet, and we have the yellow cloth for that. Some dust here. Cabinet for inside, there is dust on top of the cabinet and inside the cabinet. brand new cabinet. Just wipe and remove the dust. Clean all the surface. We always have to record, because if something is damaged, they're gonna blame to us. So when they install this sink, they try to wipe the silicone that was here, right? So try to remove this safely. But I have to take a photo, make a close-up, so if something doesn't come out, it's not my fault. Windows. And this is a house where people, actually they live in an RV. Really expensive RV. Dust. The air is intense. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my air scrubber and run it for a while, because I don't like the dust smell. The air is heavy. That's what I call heavy. Right here, there is, when they install this, okay, and that's it. So I'm gonna count for the windows. So I count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 windows that we have to clean. All the walls, and remove the haze and the dust from the floor. Right here, you can see it. Oh, you cannot see it. Okay, thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Just doing an estimate. There we go.